everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sunflower seeds, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with sunflower seeds. So if you're looking for something different to do or want to incorporate them in a dish of some sort, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have almonds, beans as in green beans, beef, black beans, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, hazelnuts, kidney beans, lentils, nuts in general, seeds in general, but especially flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, tofu, especially silken tofu, and tuna fish. In the vegetables category, we have arugula, beets, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, chives, fennel, leeks, greens as in salad greens, so add your sunflower seeds to your salads, mushrooms, onions, spinach, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes. In the way of fruits that pair well with sunflower seeds, there's apples, apricots, cherries, especially dried cherries, coconut, cranberries, especially dried cranberries, dates, fruit in general, lemon, mangoes, peaches, raisins, and watermelon. In the grains and grain products categories, we have kasha, millet, oats, pasta, quinoa, rice, and wheat berries. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, we have cheese in general, milk, Parmesan cheese, sour cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there is agave nectar, brown sugar, caramel, honey, maple syrup, molasses, mustard, nutritional yeast, tamari, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.